Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can make your video look cinematic with a CapCut application. I already got this original video. This has like super slow-mo video, and you will see I can like do a magic through this video so that this video will look more cinematic. How to do that? Let's just change the speed. Tap into the clip, go click split, speed, and then click normal. I want it to make it a little bit faster, so it's not gonna be like that slow. I want it to change it, become like approximately 8. Let's see the result. Okay, now this is enough, so you just need to go with this checklist button. Now here I will it to reducing some like this video, so this video could be like look more like black or shadowing on it. So you just need to tap in the clip, and then you just need to take a look at this bottom feature, slide it into the left side until you find the opacity, and then after you go find the opacity, just go tap it, drag it into the left side. Why it will be like going black or darker? Because the background of this video could be black, you'll see here. So that's why this video, whenever I will like do a transparency for this video, it's gonna be like going darker. It depends on the background color. Okay, I already got this. Go click this checklist button. So this is the result. Now here I will let to make it more cinematic. I will let to use the help of the effects. So you just need to tap into this effects, and then you just need to tap into the video effects. You just need to wait until everything is loaded. Now you just need to like slide this into the left side until you got retro. Tap into the retro, and then you just need to find the effect that supports your needs. So I would like to do with the noise 2, either noise 2 or the black noise right here. So it could be like almost the same. It's just like black and white. And probably let's just find another one, another piece or another effects that can support our video here to be look more cinematic. Perfect, I got what I want. I got this noise 1. If you want to adjust the effect, just tap it, and there will be like a speed here. If you want to make it faster, just drag it into the right side. If you want to make it slower, drag it into the left side. I want to make it like in the middle one, so I want to just tap 50. Great, and then just need to click this checklist button, and now applying all the effects here into the whole clip. Now this is the result. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.